Viewers, have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is shaping the future of our world? AI is advancing at an astonishing speed, and billions of dollars are pouring into this revolutionary technology. Stay with us, viewers, because today we are diving into the latest and most exciting AI development funds that are fueling the future. From Saudi Arabia's bold $40 billion AI investment plan to Microsoft's billion-dollar partnerships, the AI industry is witnessing an explosion of funding that could redefine how we live, work, and even think. Viewers, imagine a future where AI is deeply integrated into every industry: healthcare, finance, transportation, and even creative arts. Well, that future is closer than you think. Saudi Arabia has taken a major step forward, planning to invest a staggering $40 billion in AI development. Yes, viewers, you heard that right. Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund (PIF) is in talks with venture capital firms like Andreessen Horowitz to accelerate AI innovation. This means more funding for AI startups, new advancements in AI-driven technology, and, most importantly, a global shift in AI dominance. This massive investment isn't just about technology. It's about positioning Saudi Arabia as a global leader in artificial intelligence. But that's not all, viewers. IBM is making waves in the AI sector with its brand new $500 million Enterprise AI Venture Fund. Why does this matter? Because IBM is focusing on making AI more powerful for businesses worldwide. This fund will support startups working on generative AI, AI security, and machine learning, helping companies develop smarter, more efficient AI solutions. Viewers, can you imagine how much this will transform the way businesses operate? From automating tasks to enhancing customer experiences, IBM's investment is a game changer in the AI world. Now, viewers, let's talk about another AI fund that is shaking things up. DWF Labs has announced a $20 million AI agent development fund to push the limits of AI-powered automation. This fund will help developers create AI-driven agents capable of making financial decisions, managing logistics, and even assisting in creative processes. Think about it, viewers, AI agents that could work alongside humans, boosting efficiency in almost every field. Not only does this fund offer up to $100,000 and in cloud credits for developers, but it also provides strategic advisory services to ensure AI innovations reach their full potential. Wait, viewers, it gets even more interesting. Microsoft has recently partnered with Abu Dhabi's G42, investing a whopping $1.05 billion to expand AI development in the Middle East. This is not just any partnership. It's a 7-year commitment to building an AI-driven future. This collaboration will enhance cloud computing, cybersecurity, and AI infrastructure across the region, opening new doors for AI startups and tech enthusiasts. Viewers, imagine the impact of this: AI-powered cities, smarter industries, and innovations we haven't even dreamed of yet. And if you think AI funding is slowing down, think again, viewers. Venture capital firms are doubling down on AI investments. Mayfield Fund has launched a new $250 million AI-specific seed fund, focusing on early-stage AI startups. This is where the magic happens, viewers. New AI companies will have the financial boost they need to grow and revolutionize industries. Sentient, another rising AI platform, has also raised $85 million to support open-source AI development, ensuring AI remains accessible and not controlled by just a few tech giants. Viewers, are you starting to see the bigger picture? These AI development funds are not just about money. They are about shaping the future of technology, making AI smarter, more efficient, and widely available. We are witnessing a global AI race, with countries and corporations competing to lead in artificial intelligence. And viewers, guess what? The best part is that AI is still in its early stages. With all these investments pouring in, the AI breakthroughs we will see in the next few years will be beyond anything we can imagine today. So, viewers, what do you think? Which AI fund do you believe will have the biggest impact? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned, because the AI revolution is just getting started.